The PIC microcontroller. PIC stands for Peripheral Interface Controller, made by Microchip Technologies, most popular by industry developers and hobbyists because its low cost, easy availability, extensive application notes, and supports serial programming. It is a 8-bit core architecture using Harvard architecture, that is separate code and memory, data memory. It is of RISC type, that is reduced instruction set computer, has one accumulator called as the W register, small addressable data space about 256 bytes of memory, which is in the form of banks, the RAM, PC, special purpose registers. The advantages and limitations of 8-bit architecture. It is small ISA, built-in oscillators with selectable speeds. Development is made easy, inexpensive, device variants and wide range of interfaces like I2C, SPI, etc. The disadvantage has one accumulator, bank switching, hardware call stack unaddressable, no multitasking. Figure shows the pin diagram of PIC16F877A microcontroller. This slide is not required to be memorized. The core features of PIC16F877. It has a hardware architecture memory, that is separate program and data memory. It has 8K bytes of flash memory for program, 368 bytes of data memory for file registers, 256 bytes EEPROM data memory. It is a RISC CPU, that is reduced instruction set computer. It has 5 I/O ports A, B, C, D and E. It has 35 instructions, 14-bit instructions and 8-bit data value. It consists of 3 timers counters which are programmable and prescalers. Timer 0, timer 2 are 8-bit and timer 1 is 16-bit. Registers. Registers are used to store information, while the information could be a byte of data to be processed, an address to the data to be fetched. A 8-bit of register is shown from MSB D7 to LSB D0. Registers in the PIC microcontroller. The W register is also called as the working register. It is an 8-bit register. It is used in arithmetic and logical operations. It is most widely used register in PIC microcontroller. The file registers. They are read-write memory locations used by the CPU. Each location is 8-bit. We can perform arithmetic and logical operations on many locations of file register. The file register is used as destination to store the results of the operations. One of the important registers of PIC microcontroller is the status register. The status register contains the arithmetic status of ALU, the reset status and the bank select bits for data memory. It is an 8-bit register. It is also called as a flag register. The figure below shows the 8 bits. The status register. Starting from below above, bit 0 stands for the carry flag. Bit 1 stands for the digit carry flag. Bit 2 stands for the 0 bit. Bit 3 stands for power down bit. Bit 4 stands for timeout. Bit 5 and 6 is used for selecting the register banks, and bit 7 is the register bank select for indirect addressing. The PIC16F877 data memory consists of two parts: the general purpose register and special purpose registers. This portion of memory is separated into 4 banks of 128 bytes. The banks can be selected using the RP1 and RP0 bit in the status register. The 4 banks are bank 0 from 00 to 7F, bank 1 from 80 to FF, bank 2 from 100 to 17F, and bank 3 from 180 to 1FF. This illustration is just for information and need not be memorized. It shows in the data memory IO ports, TRIS ports, interrupts, analog to digital, timers, serial, and various special function registers. The rest of the memory is called the general purpose register. There are 96 bytes in bank 0, 80 bytes in bank 1, 16 plus 80 bytes in bank 2, and 16 plus 80 bytes in bank 3. Total general purpose registers are 368. The PIC instruction set. Each microcontroller has its own set of instructions to carry out essential operations but using different syntax. The PIC has 35 instructions. Each instruction is 14-bit. The instruction set organized by functional group is listed in the next slide. The instruction set organized by type is listed below. Byte-oriented instructions. F stands for the file register, D for destination. If D is 0, the destination is the W register, and if D is 1, the destination is the file register. Bit organization oriented instructions. F stands for the file register and B stands for the bit field. Literal and control operations. K stands for 8-bit constant. The default destination for the result of an operation is the file register. The table summarizes the set of instructions that are used in PIC microcontroller. There is no need to memorize this table. This is the continuation of table from the previous slide. It shows the list of instructions that are available in PIC microcontroller. The move LW instruction. This instruction moves 8-bit of data into the W register. The format is move LWK. Move literal value K into W register. The instruction to store 25 in W register will be move LW25. You can try the exercise. Write an instruction to move the value 8C into W register. The add LW instruction. The format is add LWK, where the value K is added to the W register. This instruction tells the CPU to add literal value k to W register and store the result back in the W register. To add two numbers, say 25 and 34, move LW25, add LW34. Executing the above two lines will result in W register equal to 59. Here are a few formative assessments for this unit. Write the instruction to store the value 75 in W register. Write the instruction to add three values 12, 16 and 43. What is the result of the following code and where the result will be stored? Move LW15, add LW0EA. In addition, you can also try to solve the exercises in activity 1.